Whew. I don't know if you guys can hear it yet. The wind is absolutely ripping. Still pretty cold. There's a waterfall here behind me, and there's like 2 levels to it. We're trying to get to the top one. So, there go this mountain. Hopefully the sun will peek through. I kind of want the clouds to set down, but it's pretty, but it's cold today. Whew. Filming by yourself is hard. Boom! Let's go! We made it up.
You don't have to be perfect. Broken bones are worth their weight in gold. They prove you're alive. No fears or regrets. Just take the jump and hold your breath. It feels good to be alive. Oh, if you trip, get up again.
Catch you, Rock. Here. So you're gonna have to settle for the camera shots. Hopefully that's enough and can portray the beauty of the waterfall here. And I mean, initially I came up here to test the new GoPro. I got the GoPro Hero 9, but honestly, I kind of got distracted by this and just kind of everything around. I mean, the clouds rolling in. So I think that's gonna be the video for today. Is just hope you enjoyed the waterfall and the little hike up here. Catch you guys next week. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and thanks for watching. Back at the car, kind of end of the video. I know I kind of did the outro already up there, but just so you know, all those clips were actually shot on the Hero 9. How they look?